guys, so what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different kind of video. I have done makeup videos for you all, I have done review videos, I have done hauls, I have done information about different apps and different products. So that I thought that this is the Pride month. As you may be knowing, Pride month is a month which is celebrated for the LGBT community. So it's mostly celebrated out of India. In India, as we know the situations, that it's not that much acceptable by Indians, but some of our very favorite beauty bloggers have made videos like this to bring up this topic and give the LGBT community an acceptance and an appreciation that we can give from our side. So I thought that I'll also try my best to do a video. In this I'll be creating a makeup look, as well as we'll be chit-chatting and doing a fun video together. So I will like to know your views on such kind of videos. And yes, without further ado, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and let's get started. So the first thing that we will be using is just a little bit of toner, because I just did a face mask and I used the Mamaearth Argan face pack, and now I'm just using this plum toner. This is a very good toner, alcohol free toner, and best for all skin types. So just dab it in and let it sit for about 1 minute. I'll be back in a minute. So it's done. See the glow you can see on my face. So the next thing we're going to be using is the moisturizer, and today I'm using this Mamaearth oil free moisturizer. It's also a great moisturizer for all skin types. I took a lot of it. Okay. You should always prep your skin before makeup, because this is the one thing I have learned from my experience. Because first I did not use any kind of moisturizer and directly started applying makeup, and that did cause a harm to my skin a lot of times. Apply a good thick layer and you can see the difference in your skin instantly. So now let's get started with the actual makeup. So I'll be priming my face with the Blue Heaven primer. So I have reviewed this on my channel, you can check it out. Actually, the most of the products that I'm using, I have reviewed it on my channel, you can check it out. If you're looking for good affordable makeup, then it's great for you. I mostly prefer just affordable makeup. I don't like high-end, super high-end makeup, because I think it's not worth of spending thousands and thousands on one single product when you can get thousands of products in that money. So primer usually you apply where you have large pores. So primer is done. So now your skin is ready for your makeup. So I'm not into a full coverage thing, but I'll just take foundation and apply a little bit. We'll be focusing on our eyeshadow today mostly, because the theme of this kind of makeup is eyeshadow, colorful eyeshadow, and I'm looking for what, I don't know. Yeah, so I'll just blend this out quickly before it sets. It's a very good foundation, it's very affordable. Around 100-150 rupees you get such a great product, and it's good for all skin types as well. Blue Heaven Florina foundation. Again, I have it reviewed already. You can see the coverage, and yes, apply very little on the forehead, because we sweat a lot and then it settles in the sweat, so it does not look good. So you can see the coverage it has given me. And because of primer, there is a lot of difference in the look. It looks more even and smooth, and the glow is to die for. Okay, so next we'll move with the concealer, and I have my favorite Swiss Beauty concealer. And yes, I also wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about how is your quarantine life going on. I'm super bored right now with the all these things. I feel like when it will be normal and I'll be back roaming around like freely without any tension. So we'll just blend this. I've ordered a good set of brushes from Amazon. As soon as they get delivered, I'll be reviewing them for you guys. They are similar to this, but the handle is of wood, like wood colored, and the bristles are a bit like different. So I'll just review them for you. There are a lot of them in set. So now let's move on to our eyes. So we'll just first set the face a little bit so that it does not turn cakey. So we'll take our brush and our compact and just set in our face. And then especially we'll set our eyelids, because we'll be doing eye makeup and we don't want it to like crease. Okay, so for eye makeup I have 3 palettes right here. I'm super confused with what look to go for. It's a rainbow look, but rainbow colors as such I don't have, like blue or green or yellow. I have these colors in this palette, as well as I have the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow, and I have these colors. Like it has a kind of yellowish but light yellow and brown reddish maroonish shade. Then I have this palette as well. Oh, I'm too bright. Yes, so this palette also has some neutral tones, like, so let's see what we can create. Okay, first we have to give the base shade. So we'll give a very pale base shade so that our colors could pop. So I'll apply this light shade all over the lid. Okay, and then I think so I'll go with this deep pink shade in the outer corner, and I have a Q-tip and I'll try to apply it with this to get a precision. I've seen it in a video, like I follow Preeti, my hot chocolate, so she has a channel, so she has suggested that you can use a Q-tip to get a very precise application of eyeshadow. If you want to use it in the crease, then you can just place it in the crease, and yes, it works great. Okay, so then we'll take a deep maroonish shade and just blend it well. We don't know what look are we going for. I really don't know today. But we have blended that color, and now we'll take this orange shade right here. It's very pretty, and we'll apply it outside. Okay, and we have this really bright pink, and I will take it and apply it in the center. And blend it with the orange. I hope you can see. Yeah, then we have a bright blue, and we'll just take that shimmery blue and apply it in here. Okay, it does not come with the brush. I'm going totally crazy today with my eye makeup. I have never done this before. Okay, so kind of looks colorful. That's our aim for the day. So we'll just take a bright pink and dab it on here. There is a lot of fallout. I need to clean it. Okay, so that's our look. I hope you can see. I'll just bring you close. I have applied pink right here, a little black, dark blue and orange, and blended it well. So that's how the look is. I'll just highlight my inner corner. I'll just use my finger for that. Okay. And on the lower lash line, I'll be applying, which color should I apply there? I'll be applying a dark brown shade right here. So finally our eye look is complete. I'll just go in with my eyebrow. How many of you hate your eyebrows because of the unevenness and growth due to this quarantine? I somehow have managed to keep them in shape. I use the tinkle razors to shape them. I remove the extras from here and here. So I'm not overdoing them today. So let's move on to the rest of our face. We have things remaining. I'll just quickly add blush and highlight. The camera does not do justice to the look. It looks so pretty. So now highlighter, bomb highlight. I always prefer a like rose gold kind of highlighter, nor gold nor silver, because I think this suits my skin tone well. Like it gives a natural glow that I need. And my nose does not need any contouring, nor my cheeks, I feel so. So we are left with just one thing, and that's lipstick. So because our eyes are too loud, so I'll go for a nude. I'll apply it and I'll be back. So that's a completed pride makeup look. So hope you like this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite video like category. So I'll just make a video for you. And yes, please keep supporting me. It means a lot. See you in my next video. Bye.